that this is some government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-travel. So whatever these economic packages or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalk out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in two sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-travel government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam.
गासैखौबो नुहुरगासिनो दङ आरो जानांगौ दिनै बेनिनो इसारा बारहुंखा